We're now going to learn to draw a slightly more complicated shape, and it's going to be something that looks like this. So something like a school bus, and we're going to use the tea light holder as an example. So the key features are the wheels at the bottom and the sort of bonnet shape here. So let's just keep that in mind as we work through. So I'm going to go to the top surface that I've worked on before. So providing I've got my sketches open, as I go down and click on each one, we can see which sketch it is that we're looking at, and I want to get to the top surface. I name my sketches. That's just good practice to help later. I right click, edit sketch, and now I can't see it, so I'm going to just use the hand tool, the pan tool, to move it up. So now I can see it. I want to make one change. I've got two circles here, so I want to change that. So I'm just going to get the snipping tool, snip away one of them, come off the snipping tool by clicking escape, and then move the other so it's about in the center. Yep, that'll be fine just there. And now I want to add the elements that are going to make it look more like the school bus. So I'm going to get a straight line and draw it along here. Then I'm going to get two circles. I'm going to position them here. That's maybe a bit too near the edge, isn't it, that one? So now I'll come off the circle tool by clicking escape, get the center and just move that along a little bit. And then I'll get another one the same, another circle the same, remembering not to put it too near the edge. And I believe we want that to be 30. Nope, let's try 40. 40, that's fine. The next stage after this is to get our scissors and to cut out the bits that we don't want. This just keeps our drawing nice and clean. So we've ended up with the wheels at the bottom, and now we just need to draw the bonnets at the front. So we kind of come down with the windscreen, and then we come out like this. And now I do finish sketch, and all I need to do is E for extrude, and then to simply again remove those bits that I don't want. And now if we look at it from the top, we have our nice school bus shape like that. If I'm not happy with anything, so for example, if I'm not happy if I think the wheels are a little bit too big, I can right click here. It's not letting me right click here. I need to click escape first. I can right click here, I can click edit sketch, and I can go in and remove these completely. And I could draw smaller wheels. Those last ones are 40. Let's make these 30. Okay, and then maybe move that down a little bit. It's pretty good there. And then I'll do another one of these. To 30. And again, move it down that little bit. Then I'll redraw that connecting line. And then again with the scissors, chop out the bits we don't need. Click finish sketch. And then I'm just going to remove that final extrude that I've done there. And repeat this process. So E for extrude. Get those bits. Cut them out. And then there we've got our nice school bus shaped candle holder. Looking exactly like we wanted to. If I switch that sketch off, you'll see even more clearly. Okay,